Take a ride in the 2026 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass.
The Honda Accord Hybrid offers a blend of efficiency and luxury with a refined, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and a smooth hybrid powertrain. It provides a comfortable and eco-friendly driving experience without sacrificing performance or style.
This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.